Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can add your desired products to your wish list on your Amazon application or your Amazon shopping account. First of all, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video to our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. Now the first step you definitely want to make sure is that you have actually downloaded the Amazon shopping application on your phone. If you have not yet downloaded the application, then simply open a Google Play Store if you're on your Android, and if you are on your iOS or your iPhone, then simply open the App Store. Now once you open your respective app stores, depending upon your device, on the top of the screen you can see the search box or the search icon. Simply click on the search icon and type in Amazon. Once you type in Amazon, you can see the first application which comes up is called Amazon Shopping. What you want to do is click on the green install button if you are on your Android, and if you are on your iPhone, then you will see a cloud-like icon to download. Simply click on download and verify it using your Apple ID password. So once you have made sure that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Amazon shopping application on your phone, what you want to do is simply open the application. Now before opening the application, what you also want to do is make sure that you have an Amazon account. Or if you don't have an account, then simply watch our other video where we show you how you can sign up and log into your Amazon account. So as for me, I was already logged in, so it didn't ask me for any credentials. So this is how the home interface of the Amazon application looks like. You can see that there are multiple products over here. Now what we want to do is simply add the products to our wish list and not to our cart. We simply want to add the products only to our wish list. So in order to add a product to our wish list, simply click on the product which you want to add. And what you want to do is scroll down right over here, and here you can see the blue text which says add to list. What you want to do is, in order to add a product to wish list, you simply want to click on add to list. And you can see it is asking us to create a list right over here. You can, by default there is already a shopping list. You can also create another public list, which if you want, I'm going to simply add this to my shopping list right over here. Now the product has been successfully added to our wish list. Now if you want to view this list, you can simply click on the left hand side which says view list, and then click on view list, and it will take you to your list of your Amazon application. Now if you want to add another similar products, at the bottom you can see the recommended products. You can simply click on add to list and then do so for others. Now if you want to search a product and do so, then simply come back to your home screen. At the top of the screen you can see the box which is search Amazon. Simply click on search Amazon and type in anything which you want to add to your wish list. Then simply click on the product right over here, wait for the product to load, and scroll down at the bottom, and as you can see there is the option which says add to wish list right over here. What we want to do is simply click on add to our default wish list, to our shopping list right over here, and it will be successfully added to our wish list. Now if you click on view list, you can see that we have successfully added multiple lists to our wish list. So this is how you can add a product from Amazon to your wish list or your private list or also your custom list. So we hope this video was really helpful to you. If it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content and a video. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.